We begin here at 5 with our first look inside a more than 200-page critical opinion from a federal judge. The topic, Operation Midway Blitz. It outlines in detail what the judge called lies told by Border Control Commander Gregory Bovino. Our investigator Dave Savini pored over those astonishing findings.
That dude was talking! What are you doing?
September 19th, violent clashes outside the Broadview Processing Center throughout the day and into the night. In court, Commander Greg Bovino stated his agents were met with an unruly mob refusing orders. But according to Judge Ellis, the video evidence disproves that protesters were the ones refusing orders and acting violently. Almost immediately and without warning, agents lobbed flashbang grenades, tear gas, and pepper balls at the protesters. September 26th, more tear gas and pepper balls, and according to the judge, more contradictions.
They were shooting them directly at people's faces, torsos.
Leah Kunkel shot this video.
I heard someone yell something like, on your right, they're ambushing you.
The judge wrote body-worn camera shows agents shoot pepper balls and tear gas at them without any apparent justification, a direct contradiction to an agent's report saying protesters were becoming increasingly hostile.
It is a black eye.
Eric Ballier spent 25 years as a federal agent and retired from ICE's Office of Professional Responsibility.
My hope is that this can be somewhat of a lessons learned on how to better plan and execute operations.
And when it comes to Bovino, the court specifically finds his testimony not credible. He appeared evasive at times, outright lying, including during his deposition about this event on October 23rd in Little Village, during which he threw tear gas. He said it was because he was hit in the head by a rock, but later admitted he was not hit until after he deployed the tear gas.
We had gathered in what was then being referred to as the free speech zone.
October 3rd, Kyle Frankovich and Juan Munoz, an Oak Park Township trustee, say they were grabbed and tackled by federal agents. The court order states Commander Bovino led the cohort of 50 to 75 agents, which walked directly to the protesters gathered in the designated protest zone. Bovino then grabbed Munoz by the shoulder, pulled him to the ground, smacked his phone out of his hand, and placed him under arrest.
I was not told that I was accused of anything.
When law enforcement operates outside of the law, the Constitution, and policies, then there are and there should be accountability for those actions.
Both of those men were kept in handcuffs for 8 hours, then driven to a gas station and released. They were never charged. We should also note that in the judge's order, she states that in at least one incident, a federal agent used ChatGPT to create a use of force report based off a brief sentence about an encounter and images. The judge said this further undermines their credibility, Marie.
Well, there's a lot to go through. Thank you for walking us through it, Dave.